Immediate. We shall see. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayden. We have got another skincare line product selection to look at today. Even though this is not a sponsored video, the stuff we're looking at today from BANISH Skincare, I did not pay for. They were kind enough to send it over to me to try out for myself. So that is why you'll see a paid promotion icon. I don't actually know what they have sent over to me to try out. So it's going to be a surprise for me as well. So I've not been able to plan out as yet how we're going to approach this. I will link everything down below that they do actually send me, and I'll include some of the prices in all of the conversions in somewhere in the video. From the look of it, there are 4 items in here. That's kind of cute. Their packaging, it's just cardboard, but it says on the sticker, "Face the world with confidence." Also within, we've got a greeting card. It just says, "Welcome soldier, it's not the way you look, it's the way you feel that matters. Take part in our recycling program, 5 BANISH bottles sent back." Oh, and you get a $20 gift card. That's actually really cool. We'll start with this one, which looks like socks. Whether or not that is socks, I don't know. That's really cute. Step into the world with confidence. They're black anklet socks, but inside the socks rolled up, we have the Instant Lift Brightening Eye Cream. Comes in a little pot like this with a applicator, a little golden spatula. Oh, sorry, I stand corrected, a little golden spoon. So I've got the website open because, like I was saying before, I didn't know what was inside the package. This retails for 135 Australian dollars. Thank you, BANISH. I haven't even checked what the others are as yet. But what this is, the ultimate eye cream packed with dozens of rejuvenating ingredients to lift, brighten, and firm the eye area. Skin benefits. Eyes appear more awake and lifted. Lighten dark circles, reduction of puffy eyes, reduction of fine lines around the eyes, increased skin firmness due to increase of collagen. Forget about buying multiple eye creams, which can add up in both time and money, when you can have 4 different eye cream benefits in this cream and simplify your routine. Notice an immediate lifting effect after use. Immediate. We shall see. Formulated to be safe and gentle enough to use in the delicate eye area. Feels soft, light, and slightly cooling for all skin types, fragrance-free, cruelty-free. The next item is the Vitamin C Cream, which is a lightweight brightening moisturizer. Now it comes in glass, so this is quality. It has a lot of weight to it. This retails for 92 Australian dollars, and I will do the conversion. For that money, you get 50 mils of product. So this is the moisturizer, so it states or claims, for acne-prone skin to brighten dark spots. New improved formula. The Vitamin C Cream is a light water-based cream containing vitamin C and antioxidant fruit extracts to reverse dark spots and skin damage for an overall brighter complexion. What the Vitamin C Cream does, reduces appearance of dark marks, firms skin, improves evenness of skin tone. Glycerin helps repair skin barrier. Lightweight finish and feel, perfect for oily skin and acne-prone skin. Suitable for combination skin, dry skin, acne-prone skin, and sensitive skin. It is cruelty-free, has organic ingredients, made fresh and shipped from California. Money-back guarantee. So that's number 2. The next one we've got, again in a glass packaging, very luxe, is the Ceramide Retinol Serum, which retails for $130. It resurfaces the skin without causing dryness or irritation. For the $130, you get 30 mils of product and, like I said, glass packaging. It says this milky water-based serum is packed with tons of ingredients that can help increase collagen to fight aging or damaged skin, reduce acne, and resurface the skin. Lightweight serum sinks into the skin quickly. Non-irritating formula. A retinol without negative irritation or side effects. Causes no flaking, no burning, no dried out skin. It's for all skin types. Skin benefits. More even looking skin tone. Plumper and firmer feeling skin. Skin feels and looks smoother. Reduction in acne breakouts. Reduced appearance of fine lines. Doesn't cause peeling on the skin. And the lucky last is the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. which retails for $92. It says, apply, wash off in 10 minutes, see instant glow and smoothness. An exfoliating mask to reveal your best skin. It's a customer favorite and trending on TikTok for good reason. What the pumpkin enzyme mask does: resurfaces skin with AHAs, reduces oily skin appearance, reduces congested skin to help clear pores, blackheads, and prevent acne, improves dullness, improves skin clarity and skin tone. Use the pumpkin enzyme mask to prevent cystic acne. Why it works: glycolic acid molecules are small enough to deep clean pores. Clogged pores plus excess oil equals acne. Prevent acne by using pumpkin enzyme. Suitable for oily, combination, dry, and normal skin. Shelf life is 6 months. Store in a cool, dark place, like the fridge, to extend and maximize shelf life. Free of artificial fragrance and dyes. Use 1 to 3 times a week. Less often if you have sensitive skin. Again, organic, cruelty-free, all of the above. All right, we're gonna give this a deep dive. I'm gonna start putting things to the test for the next 7 days, and you're gonna follow along with me. But before I do, whenever I do skincare, I'd like to come in nice and close and know that's not a booger, that is a skin tag that I'm trying to get rid of. So we'll have a look at my skin, my fine lines. I do have a bit of darkness under my eyes. I didn't have the best sleep last night, but we'll do a before and an after. Night number 1, obviously we're in the bathroom. I have all of the products here, so I'm going to go through the routine. It doesn't really say what I should be starting with, but obviously a face mask. We will start with that, the enzyme mask. I'll then go into Ceramide Retinol, eye cream, moisturizer. I've just got out of the shower. I didn't actually wash my face knowing I was going to be doing this. When you open it up, it has a little protector on the inside. It says that it's fragrance free, but it definitely has like a mustardy, smells like pumpkin, kind of a thing going on. It's somewhat liquidy in a thick gel kind of consistency. It's a little odd rubbing mashed pumpkin. Kind of smells like and feels like onto my face. Doesn't really say how much to put on. So I just read the bottle and I stand corrected. It says on the bottom, paint thin layer on clean skin. Leave on for around 10 to 15 minutes and wash off. You may feel a mild tingle, that's normal. Use 1 to 3 times a week, store in a cool, dark place. Now I'm already feeling a tingle happening. Cooling, burning sensation, but not burning if you know what I mean. But we're gonna give it around that. Give it 10 minutes and wash it off. So I've just washed it off. Quite dewy, didn't leave any residue, and I don't appear to have reacted to it. So far so good. It felt very nice on the skin. It does have a distinct odor to it, even though it's fragrance free, or maybe they mean they haven't added any fragrance, additional fragrance. Definitely had a cooling, burning, tingling kind of effect. My skin does feel somewhat firmer. I'm trying out the Ceramide and Retinol Serum. Now I'm just going to use the viewfinder as a mirror. This definitely has a fragrance. It is on the thicker side. Definitely not what I'm used to, say like La Roque. Feels quite nice on though. Even though it's on the thicker side, it went on very quickly and it absorbs straight in. There's no residue, I'm not tacky. And again, I don't seem to have reacted to it, so we're on a roll. We're giving the eye cream a whirl. Getting glass packaging, it comes with the little seal. It smells very skincare-y, rosemary, very herby. It looks like it's quite thick on the inside. This time I actually read the container. It says, use after cleansing, which I've just done. Lightly pat a small amount around the eye to brighten and lift the eyes. Can be used daily, morning and night. So we'll use the little spoon that it came with. Actually, that is way too much. I'm going to put the rest of that back. It has a very noticeable fragrance. As thick as it was, it went on very quickly, very easily. It sunk straight in. There's no residue left. Again, there is a slight tackiness. To use, apply a pea-sized amount on cleansed skin after any toner or serum to moisturize and brighten skin. I think that's a pea-sized amount. It doesn't seem like much, but absolutely no fragrance whatsoever. It's thick-ish, but more on the watery side, and I think I'm gonna need more. Similar to everything else, sunk straight in, there's no residue left. First application of everything, pretty good. It is currently Sunday. I started filming this last Sunday, so we've had a solid 7 days of use. I have used the pumpkin enzyme mask 3 times, as suggested, and I've used the serum, eye cream and moisturizer morning and night every day. Now, if we can remember at the start of the video, it had a tall claim that we're going to see some immediate results. So let's compare our before and after. And I'm gonna come right on in. I will have to say, my skin looks a lot more hydrated. It's definitely made a difference in my nasal labial fold in here. I still have some darkness under my eyes. My fine lines don't seem to be as pronounced. My skin feels firm and soft at the same time. Now, you're gonna have to let me know your thoughts. Do you see any difference from the before and the after? All I know is my skin feels great right now. I feel like I've just got a whole bunch of water. Is it worth the hefty price tag? For how my skin is looking right now, I'm gonna say yes, it's a thumbs up from me. Once the product is out, obviously I did not pay for this. I am very, very confident that I will be purchasing it myself. Let me know your thoughts. Do you agree? Do you disagree? I'm interested to know. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure we do the fun stuff, but most importantly, stay tuned.